For today's video, we will be focusing in finding the slope of a line given 2 points. So when we say slope, that means steepness of the line. And meron lang tayong susundin na formula, which is this one. So we have the given formula, m is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 and x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So we labeled that as x sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 1, and y sub 2 since we are referring to 2 points or 2 sets of ordered pair para ma-identify natin which is the first set of coordinates or ordered pair and which is the second. Okay, so let us have an example. Okay, for our first example, we have find the slope of the line which passes through the points 3, 4 and 1, or negative 1, 6. So take note that ito ang ating gagamiting formula. We have m is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay, so first, let us determine what is our x sub 1, y sub 1, or the first given. So, since this is our first given, ito yung ating x sub 1, y sub 1. And then, yung ating second given is our x sub 2, y sub 2. Then, follow lang natin yung formula ng slope. We have m is equal to, what is our y sub 2 in the given? We have 6 minus, our formula is subtraction or minus, then y sub 1 is 4 over x sub 2 is negative 1 and x sub 1 is 3. Okay, so simplify. We have m is equal to 6 minus 4 is 2 and negative 1 minus 3 is negative 4. If we're going to simplify 2 over negative 4, we have m is equal to 1 over negative 2 or negative 1/2. Okay, this is now our slope. Okay, for our additional examples, we have 3 given. So we have to find the slope of the following points. Number 1, 6, 3, and 2, 4. So ito yung ating formula na susundan. We have y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So sulat natin. And x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So kung isa-substitute natin yung value, we have 4 minus 3 over 2 minus 6. So, simplify natin. We have 4 minus 3 is 1. And then, 2 minus 6 is negative 4. So, in short, our m is negative 1/4. Okay, next. For our number 2 given, we have negative 5, 0, and 4, 4. So, given the formula, ulitin-ulit natin para makabisado nyo. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. We have x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. Then, substitute na natin. We have 4 minus our y sub 1 is 0. So 4 minus 0, then over 4 minus our x sub 1 is negative 5. So isusulat natin siya as negative 5. Take note that our operation is minus. So pag sinimplify natin yan, magiging 4 minus 0 is 4 and 4 minus negative 5, ibig sabihin, magiging 4 Then this one is positive 5, then proceed to addition. So magiging 4 plus 5 is 9. So yung rule ng ating subtraction. Ibig sabihin, wala na siyang lowest term, ang ating slope ay 4/9. Okay, for our number 3 example, we have 2, 6, and 1, 8. Okay, so we have the given formula. So we have x sub 1, y sub 1. And napapansin nyo, paulit-ulit lang. Then x sub 2, y sub 2. So we have y sub 2 is 8 minus y sub 1 is 6. Then our x sub 2 is 1 minus 2 ang ating x sub 1. So pag sinimplify, magiging 8 minus 6 is 2 and 1 minus 2 is negative 1. Or simply, 2 divided by negative 1 is negative 2. So ang ating slope ay negative 2. Okay, so that's it for our slope of a line given 2 points. So remember, ang ating formula ay y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1.